Here's how to fix Roblox crashing or closing unexpectedly on your PC. Start with the most overlooked cause, overheating. If your CPU or GPU gets too hot, Roblox will crash without warning. Check your fans are spinning, make sure your vents are clear of dust, and if you're on a laptop, place it on a hard, flat surface. A bed or blanket blocks airflow and causes thermal crashes that look like software problems. If temperatures are fine, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, and search for Roblox. Click the three dots and select Advanced Options. Click Terminate first to fully close it, then click Repair. Repair fixes corrupted files without deleting your data. Try this first. If the crashing continues, return and click Reset, which clears all app data. Your account is cloud-based, so you just need to log back in. If the crashes still happen, update your GPU drivers. For NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app and go to Drivers. For AMD, go to amd.com and download the Auto Installer. For Intel, go to intel.com. Outdated drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes that repair alone cannot fix. Finally, open Task Manager with Control-Shift-Escape and close unnecessary background apps, anything using CPU or RAM that you do not need right now. As a last resort, uninstall Roblox completely through Add or Remove Programs and reinstall it fresh from roblox.com. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.